Unbelievable SOS investors, as I told you in the video before, we never gonna go back again in this level at $4.23. As I told you, this is we will see a big buying pressure, and that's why we never actually visited again. And boom, today we got 30% jump for SOS. As I told you here at this price, I told you about that at this price, the perfect spot. I was waiting to hunt this price. Actually, this is a perfect price to get in. As I told you guys, to wait and have patience and let the price come to you. And congratulations a lot about the people who actually watched my video and bought at this perfect price. And now the most important thing, what we should expect, the warning sign that I saw today, what SOS did, and is really good. We actually have this a really good sign for SOS. We'll talk all about all the prices for this week and what we should expect for the next price that we actually SOS heading to. All this will be answered in this video, but before, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my future update like this one, when I actually told you about the right exact price value. So without further ado, as I always Trading Jesus told you guys, no BS, no editing, straight to the information, straight to the chart. So let's dive right in. As I told you yesterday in this video, I told you about at this price. I told you guys the price will go to $4 above here, around the $4.22. We actually went to even $1.23, and I told you this is a perfect price, and we should have actually go back again to revisit this price because it's a sign of weakness. And guess what? We have this beautiful candle. For our candle, we actually close above our red candle. This is crazy good. This is really perfect. So what happened next? By Monday, today, boom, we got this big jump today, because this is incentive of smart money. They know that the price actually hold above this, and this is a sign of strength. And guess what? We got almost 2,200,000 worth of buying pressure. And guess what happened? Let's go to the more smaller picture to see more details of what happened exactly. And guess what? Look with me, guys. Boom, we got a bit of rejection. As I told you, when we got big jump like this, we got big of rejection, because we actually met our friend the 200 AMA, boom, and we got rejected at this level. So be careful at the $6. I told you always that $6, around the $6, we got a rejection. And guess what? When we got rejection, we actually touch our support exactly by the cent. Look with me here, boom, at $5.28. As I told you in the previous video, always I told you, this is the most important resistance and support level. We almost test this, and this is really perfect for SOS, because when we actually jump, I told you we need the test for the resistance that will become the support, and now is the support, the 528, and it's perfect because we got bought back really fast, and we actually got another test for the $6. We got rejected, and we actually close to $6, and we actually trading about $5.82. So now what we should expect by tomorrow, guys, we need not test again. We need to actually have a candle above this level, guys. This is really important thing to note. Here we got rejected twice here, and we close almost every time, all the candle we close below the $6. So what we should expect by tomorrow, at least we need a candle closing above the $6 at least, guys, because if we got this, we're gonna see the test for the $6.61, be careful from this level as well. We're gonna see a bit of rejection here and test for this level. After we actually clear from the $6 and we have a closing candle above the $6, we're gonna see a rejection here about the $6.61, and we're gonna see a big, we need a big massive price action like what happened here, guys. I told you, if we want to break any resistance, we need a big volume to break it. Like this one, we got a gap, even we opened above, we opened even at around the $5.80. you see, guys. Then we're gonna test as well here. We're gonna see a big jump of volume to break it. If we don't have enough volume, we get a bit of rejection, and even we get rejected, we need to go not below the $6. Would be really healthy retracement, and in order to actually have a bounce and then go up again to test the $7 this time, $7.33. This is really important level as well in order to go higher. But now at the moment is really good that we actually bounce from the support at $5.28. Then we actually hold above and we test above for resistance level about the $6. That's why we got 3-time rejection, and now we still testing this is $6, guys. Be careful from this level. Always, we never actually have a closing candle. We need a clear indication that we actually have a closing candle above the $6 in order to test first the $6.61, then the $7.33. This is the really important level of rejection and test for our price. And now we need to hold, as I told you guys, this level we need to hold it again. We need to visit it. It will be really sign of strength, like here, guys. When we test it here, we never go back again. Whenever we actually go back to test the same support that we actually break, that's the more sign of weakness, and it happened to other stocks. Actually, I will talk about after this one. It actually break test the support many times, so this will break it eventually. But here this is really good because we have higher high for candles. You see, this candle is bigger than this one. This one actually have a lower candle than this one, so this is actually close the wick at $5.42, this one at 54 cents, and again, and this one even didn't have even a wick. This is a sign of strength actually to test this level again. So as I told you guys, we don't need to visit again this level to see a sign of weakness, but we need to actually test the level at $6, because we almost always close below it, because there's a big massive rejection. We have our 200 AMA coming, and we have the other resistant area about $6.61. As I told you guys, be careful, and never actually, a lot of people told me like, oh, should we buy, because when you open, like, and the market open, almost every time there's a big chance the price is hyped up, and that's why we got big rejection, big rejection. So if you bought at even $5.85, the price will go back to $5.28, and you feel panic and you sell here, then the price will go up again. You be like confused. So wait until see a consolidation to get in. Now I can see a bit of consolidation. This is really healthy. We hold above this breakout level. This is really good because this is not a rejection. Sometimes we get big gap like this, then we go below our support here. This is not healthy way to actually get in, because we got a massive rejection. But here we got hold for the price that we actually opened today. This is really good. And look with me, guys, this is really important. Again, the price that we actually open at $5.20, guess what, we actually we are testing it as we speak right now at $5.80. So this is really good. The price we actually open at, we actually now we have a candle in the middle of the day at around the same price we actually opened the market at. So this is really good, because a lot of time we get big hyped price, then the market actually correct the hyped price, and we go to the key level and even below. This is a really not warning sign. As I told you guys, never buy at the open of the market. Always see where the market going. Like, never actually be hyped and buy. That's why we got a big of rejection here. A lot of people sell because got some profit. Some people actually put sell limits. Some people actually bought above here and they waited to sell. That's why we see this rejection. Actually, this is almost all the time when a lot of people holding bags on the buy at the top at $6, then the price dipped, this big dip, you see guys, then a lot of people waited just to get out. That's their cue. That's why they actually sell. That's why we see a lot of selling pressure, because a lot of people actually bought at $6 and now they just want to break even, and that's why the price actually went down. But the good thing that the price actually went up, because there's a big buying pressure and there's still buyers. That means there's healthy way that SOS is still holding, even though we have this a lot of selling pressure, because a lot of people just want to get even. So always guys, use the market as a human being, as psychology, because it's not just candle, but this candle tell you everything. If you see behind the scene and you be calm and patient and you see the clear picture. And this is actually you can take it as you're in real life. If you're actually running around and you want to make reason of a lot of things, you can't, unless you actually patience and you take a breathe and you see all the thing clearly. If you actually running and you confused and panic, you never actually see anything. You be prone to make more mistakes. The best idea is to just relax, stop for the minute and not react. Just receive the information, then analyze it, then use your slow thinking and see the right solution or right decision at the time being. So guys, if you like the video, like and comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my future update. As I told you guys, the price, the right exact price value, always guys, to show you the right price value where the smart money buy at. As I told you, hit the notification so you never miss any of my future price value. And as always tell you guys, be patient and let's hunt for the right price value with me, the Trading Jesus. So see you guys in the next video.